In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an admin panel for Supabase. We'll start in the Supabase dashboard and walk through creating a project, then explore the tools you'll use to manage data, users, and files for your admin panel. First, head to the Supabase dashboard and open the Projects area. This is where all your workspaces live. Click New Project to spin up a fresh environment for your admin panel. Give your project a clear, memorable name so teammates can recognize it later. Next, set a strong database password. Use a password manager and avoid reusing credentials. This password protects your data, so keep it private and store it safely. Choose a region close to your users or your server location to minimize latency. When you're ready, click Create New Project. Supabase will provision your database and services. This usually takes a minute. Once it's ready, you'll land on the project overview. Think of this as your home base. It surfaces status, usage, and quick links so you can keep an eye on performance and costs as your admin panel grows. Open the table editor to create and manage your tables without writing SQL. It's perfect for setting up initial schemas, adding columns, and making quick edits to sample data. For example, you might create tables for users, roles, and any resources your admins will manage. The editor shows live data, so changes are immediate. Double check before saving. Next, visit the SQL editor. This is where you can run queries, create views, write migrations, and automate repeatable changes. Save important queries so you can reuse them as your schema evolves. If you're collaborating, naming and organizing saved queries keeps everyone aligned. The database section gives you deeper control over schemas, extensions, and configuration. Extensions like PG Crypto or full text search can power advanced admin features. Make structural changes carefully and commit them consistently. Open authentication to manage users, sign-in providers, and policies. Here you can review user accounts, configure email or OAuth providers, and shape the rules that keep your admin panel secure. Clear roles and access rules are essential for limiting who can view or edit sensitive data. Then explore storage to manage buckets and files. This is helpful for assets like images, documents, or exports your admins handle. Assign permissions so only the right people can upload, read, or remove files. Finally, click Connect at the top. You'll find connection strings and code snippets for your favorite frameworks and languages. Use these to connect your app to Supabase securely and start wiring up your admin panel with real data and authentication.